The thing I improved big time with two friends, we did, three of us, सबने एक दूसरे के बारे में लिखा, और जो चीज मुझे हिट की, जो मैं जिंदगी भर भूल नहीं पाया, आप भी नहीं भूलोगे जो आपका दोस्त कहेगा, वो बोला साहब आपकी तारीफ बहुत करते हो आप. And I got rid of I got rid of I started using word we. Such an important word. Such an important word. Can you indulge in a lot of self-praise and you use a lot of I word? That one session changed my life. Now we come to table manners. What manners? Table manners. So your behavior at the formal dinners, घर में हम कैसे भी खा सकते हैं, जमीन पे बैठ सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. But in corporate and business environment, when you are having formal dinners, you are invited some client or someone is invited you. You should always be aware of dining etiquettes. Number one, don't talk with your mouth full when there's food in the mouth. Don't talk with your mouth full. Yes, thank you. Do not blow your nose with napkin. No texting or playing with your mobile phone when in your formal dining environment. Do not select messy items. Chicken wings, no. Order something which you can eat with a fork. Be very careful. Tandoori chickens or things with the bones and all those things. Select the restaurant. Now, one tip I am going to give you, which no one ever, no book, no Google is going to teach you. Want to know? Yes or yes? Yes. When you are invited someone, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि इनवाइट आपने किया है, सामने वाला बिल भरना चाहे, होता है, और फिर वहाँ पे मैं वो नहीं करना है. But you can win this. I normally do when I invite people, मैं पहले पहुँच के कैप्टन को अपना क्रेडिट कार्ड दे देता हूँ, so that मौका ही नहीं आया, it's already charged. Other person doesn't get a chance to even offer. And when you travel to US, where? When you travel to US, there it's mandatory to give 15% tip. What percentage? 50%. 15%. Because most of the waiters and porters at the airport don't get salary or very little salary. And they are sometimes can be very rude if you don't give the tip. बोल देते हैं मुंह पे. And now another secret which I learned, which no one is going to teach you, is if your friend or client has invited you for a lunch or dinner, you can ask, and they will be shocked and pleasantly shocked and surprised when you ask, can I leave the tip? This I learned from my first mentor in US who taught me this. That ask the person, can I leave the tip? Because tip is, it pays $500 for dinner, $75 is the tip. And it's only in deep American culture, no one teaches these things, no one tells this thing anything. बहुत सारे Americans भी ये practice नहीं करते हैं, which my mentor taught me. Number two thing, when I first went to US, my school friend came to pick me up. He was already very well settled in jewelry business there. And he allowed me to stay at his home. So my mentor taught me one very important thing, that you stayed at your friend's house for 1 week. Now before leaving, make sure to invite that family for dinner. आपको बहुत बार ऐसा मौका मिलेगा जब आप किसी कजिन के यहाँ, किसी रिलेटिव के यहाँ, किसी दोस्त के यहाँ, किसी शहर में, इंडिया में या बाहर में रहेंगे जाके. When you do this thing, कि before leaving पहले तो कुछ गिफ्ट लेके जाना है, that's very important, that we all do. But before leaving, if you invite them over कि चलते हैं यार आज dinner पे, I am going to host you. They are going to be very pleasantly surprised. Got it? Now another situation comes if your client wants to eat some appetizer or some dessert which you don't want to have. तो कई बार आपको कंपनी देने के लिए वो खाना पड़ सकता है. So be ready for that. Because you don't want, आप बोलेंगे मेरा मन नहीं है मीठा खाने का, बोला मैं भी नहीं खाता यार. होता है ऐसा? तो for that one day थोड़ा सा compromise करना is okay. Don't start eating until everyone has received the food. आपके सामने सर्व हो गया और आप शुरू हो गए, big no. Everyone got the food, then you start. And when you want to share some dish, left to right, not across. Start from left to right. Never pull chair for someone, even lady or men. Don't get up and pull the chair for that person. No, you are not going to do that. It's okay to open door. That's respect, but don't do the chair part. If there's something wrong with the dish, don't throw your weight around or waiter को जोर जोर से बोलना शुरू कर दिया. Be very polite and nice. And in US I learned one more thing, that when you give the advance tip, when you go to a restaurant, depending on the class, give that $50 or $20 bill in advance. You ensure a very good service already. You will get extra attention. If I go to China Garden in Greater Kailash 2, I have a brass plate with my name, reserved for Suresh Manshramani. That's because of the good behavior and compliments. And when you are talking to someone, don't point your finger like this, always your hand. This way or this way. Sir, may I know about you, not this. So if you have some foreign guest, your client, your $100 million client, and they don't come from that culture where they see hands dirty with all the gravy and everything, bones, it doesn't feel nice. It's nothing to do with show off. It's respect and etiquette. You can eat your chicken wings at home or in a fast food restaurant, that's okay. वहाँ चल रहा है. But in a very fine dining, where you have invited some very important guests and it's a millions of dollars of deal, then you follow certain etiquette. It's not show off. It's showing respect to other person.